So, how many times has it happened that your itinerary is finalized, shopping is done, and ticket simple, but you're still waiting for your visa, right? This is the most anxious feeling that it literally makes you second guess your plans. Visa application process is simplified, but getting an update about the same can make anyone impatient. So, in this video, we will quickly share the steps for checking your visa offline and online. For both, you will need some things handy, and these are your passport number, your visa application number, and your email address. The next step is to check the status online. Simply search Atlas Visa Status Checker on Google and you will find the tool for the country you're planning to visit. For example, to know your Vietnam visa status, search for Atlas Vietnam Status Checker tool, click on the tool and enter the following: your date of birth, your visa application or your registration number, your email address. And after clicking submit, you will find your visa update on your screen. Quite simple, no? But let's say you're not satisfied and you wish to take an update offline. So to do that, follow these steps. Contact the embassy where you submitted your visa application. Inquire about your visa by providing the visa officer with required information such as your application number and date of birth. And finally, the visa officer will provide you with the feedback on your application status. But note, the embassy will not provide details about your visa status if you inquire before the processing time has elapsed. And also, the process to check status offline can be a little different for each country. But worry not, Atlas has all the detailed steps on its website. That's it, guys. Hope that this video actually helps you, and we will be back soon with more content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.